talking about the features of the brain, a little bit of the spinal cord as well. So this large area here is our cerebrum. And then down here, you can kind of see the protective covering which coats the entire brain and spinal cord. That is made up of the dura, pia, and arachnoid matter. The cerebrum itself, these little bumps are called the gyri, and the space in between is our sulci. The cerebrum is surrounded by our cortex. This line down the center is our medial longitudinal fissure. And then towards the front is our frontal lobe. The area down here is our parietal lobe. Down towards the bottom of the cerebrum is our occipital lobe. And then down towards the bottom, which is more, you can't really see it from this side, but more on the ventral, that's going to be our temporal lobes. Okay, and then this slightly smaller area is going to be our cerebellum. And that is partially separated by our vermis. The vermis holds these two ovals, which are called our medulla. And the medulla sits within our brainstem, which runs down the center as well. And then this little circle area above it is called our pons. And then above the pons is our optic chiasma. It's this little X you can kind of see. Kind of looks similar to a butterfly as well. And then these little ovals that spring from it is going to be our cranial nerves. And then towards the top of our cranial nerves is going to be our dorsal bulb. And down towards the bottom here, this large area is going to be our spinal cord, which again springs from our brain stem in the center here. Right here, this area wrapping around is our choroid plexus. And then right above it is our lateral ventricle. Down below is our third ventricle, and then connected by the cerebral aqueduct, we go all the way down to the fourth ventricle, which is right down here. So this large area up here is our diencephalon. It holds our corpus callosum and then our gyrus, which is way up here. The little ridges in between is our sulcus, and then just around here is our hippocampus. Up here is our pineal body. We have our thalamus and our hypothalamus. If we go down towards the spinal cord, our midbrain, down to our pons, and then down to our medulla. And then if we go up into here, the cerebellum, matter, the white matter is the little tree-like features on the inside, and the gray is what surrounds the outside, and it's the darker color.